going to pick a point someplace in the middle of the chair. Let me click, and my rotation angle, I'm going to type in 180. This will turn the chair 180 degrees. Okay, he's now facing in the right direction. Let's make another change. I'm going to back up. What if I wanted to rotate the contents of this cube? Well, since this is a cube, this area is a perfect square. If I wanted to rotate the contents, the only thing I really need to know is where the center point of that shape is. Let's create a piece of sketch geometry. I'm going to draw a line, so I'm going to come over and launch the line command. And I have a running object snap set for endpoint, so I'm going to come up and grab the endpoint here. We'll come down and grab the endpoint here. I'll hit my escape key to get out of the command. I'm sure you'll agree that the midpoint of that line would represent the center of that cube area. Let me hit escape to deselect that line. All right, let's rotate the contents of that cube. I'm going to come over and launch the rotate command. AutoCAD's asking me to select objects. I'll select this side return. I'll select my desk. Let me click on my chair. I'll also click on the computer. When I'm done selecting objects, I will right-click to finish the selection. And now AutoCAD wants to know what's my base point. At what point am I going to be rotating my entities? Well, I don't have a running object snap set for midpoint, so I'm going to come over and grab that guy from the toolbar. Let me click midpoint. And then I'm going to come over and hover by this line. Notice AutoCAD's going to find the midpoint. Let me left-click. And all I have to do now is type in an angle. I'm going to type in 90 degrees because I want this guy to rotate counterclockwise. I'll hit enter. And that geometry is updated. The most important thing to remember about the rotate command is that positive angles will rotate your objects counterclockwise. Once you understand this concept, the power of this command is only limited by your imagination.